Hello data enthusiast, my name is Mozam Ali and in this tutorial we are going to discuss a very brand new topic for today, which is going to be helpful for data analyst. Yes, you heard it right, it is going to be the Python. Okay, so basically Python is immersively important for data analyst for several reasons. The first reason, versatility. Python is versatile programming language with a rich ecosystem of libraries and tools specifically designed for data analysts such as NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, and many more. These libraries provide efficient data structures and functions for handling and analyzing data. Now, ease of use. Python is known for its simplicity and readable syntax, making it accessible for beginners and experienced programming alike. Third point, large community and support. Python has a vast community of users and developers who actively contribute to its ecosystem. Means if you have any doubts or any discussing point, you can go to the community and you can post your query, and you will get the answer to that query very soon. Then the fourth point is integration capabilities. Python seamlessly integrates with other languages and platforms, okay, and allow data analysis to incorporate their analysis into large applications for workflows. For example, Python can be used for web scraping, data visualization, machine learning, and more, making it powerful tool for an data analyst across various domains. Now, fifth point is data visualization. Python offers numerous libraries for data visualization such as matplotlib, seaborn, and plotly. These libraries allows analysts to create insightful visualization that help in understanding patterns and trends within the data, as well as communication they're finding effectively to stakeholders. Now, sixth point is machine learning. Python has become the de facto language for machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. Libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch provides powerful tools for developing those machine learning languages. Now the seventh point is big data and distributed computing. Using this, you can handle the big data queries and you can manage the capabilities crucially for handling large data sets and that cannot fit into memory on a single machine. Now, all in all, overall, Python's versatility is to use extensive community support, integration capabilities, and rich ecosystem of libraries make it indispensable tool for analysts in today's data-driven world. Okay, so let's see how it helps in versatility, like how versatile programming language is. Basically, it's a very simple language. You can develop a query, develop a code within few lines, and it is very effective. That is the main reason of using Python for data analyst and most of the machine learning and the other factors which have more crucial complex algorithms and logics implemented. So for that, we are using Python as a base, and it has a number of libraries provided. If you want to make you visualizations, if you want to make a LLM, that is you want to train a model, you want to do machine learning, whatever you want to do, you can do it with using it. Okay, so now we have seen about the importance. There are some more importance for Python, that is to easy to learn and use. If you, even people with little or no programming language, if you are from a programming background, you can also learn. If you don't have a programming background, you can also learn this language. It's very simple, it's a very basic. If you know a basic English, you can do you can use and develop the codes for Python. Okay, and if you are not able to do that, don't worry, I am here to help you. Then the second part is large and active community. As we discussed, it has a large and active community. So if you have FAQs, you want to implement some logic but you don't know how you can do it, You can simply put it on a Google and you will get the answer, or you can, somebody will reply to your question, or you can go to websites and where you can find out those answers. Then wide range of libraries and framework. This is the most crucial part that makes it, the important language for data visualization and machine learning. These are the two main aspects of, Python, where nowadays Python is being used. So that is the reason the framework and the libraries which it provides for the users, for the developers to develop some sort of, some sort of visualizations or some sort of charts and graphs, so you can use this for doing it. Okay, then versatility, as I mentioned earlier, it's very versatile. It is not limited to data analyst and data science. It can be used for web development, scientific computing, and many more other applications. Then scalability, it is very scalable. Python can handle large data sets, and its libraries and frameworks are designed to handle complex tasks and making it ideal for large scale data analysis and machine learning. Now the next point is integration with other tool. It dwell with the other tools very well. The integration part is very smooth. You just need to import, the libraries of the other libraries into your code, and you will be able to use all the classes and all the functions which are available for in that particular library. So that is very smooth, that is very easy. Then machine learning capabilities, as we have spoken about it, we can do the machine learning using Python. Now we will see how you can do the installation. So for doing installation, you need to go to anaconda.com. okay, and then over there you will find a download option which will look like this. So you just need to click on download. Once you download it, it will be on your download section and you will be able to find it like this. You need to extract it. Sorry, this will be an exe format, so you need to double click on this. Once you double click on it, it will open a window like this. You just need to click on next. Welcome to Anaconda 324. You need to click on the next button. The next button will automatically be highlighted. You need to click on that. Then the agreement, license agreement will be enabled for you. You need to check it out and then you need to agree to it. Then you will be clicking, there are two options, just me or all users. Whoever using this system will be applied to the installation, or you just want it to be for your use. So I have just clicked on just me. By default it is just me, so you need to click on next. After that it will ask you a location where you want to install this. So you can select the location from browse option, or if you want it to be stored or installed onto a default location, then don't hamper it, just click on next. Here is the space required, 5 GB space is required, and whatever available you have, it will show you. Then you will be selecting, these are the by default options which are selected. So if you want to select this, and this is not recommended by the way, but add anaconda my path environment variable. So if you want to add a path variable, for that you will click on this, you will check out this option as checked, and then you will click on install. Once you click on install, this UI will be pop up on your screen. It will take some time. Once it is completed, once the installation process is completed, it will show you something like this, where you will be clicking on Anaconda Jupyter and you will be clicking on next. Once that is done, it will be completing Anaconda for 64-bit, and then you will be getting started. So you need to click on finish option. Once you click on finish option, the Anaconda is successfully installed on your system with Python. Now you can go to your search menu and you can type for Anaconda Navigator. Once you see this option available, you will be clicking on that, and once you click on it, it will show you a UI like this. Okay, it takes some time, but ultimately it opens up a window like this, where it will show you these are the options. So you need to click on the scroll button and you need to click on the launch Jupyter. Okay, so this is how the installation process of Python is done. What are the data types it is used into Python, how we can write the code, and basically it is very simple. So no, you just have to follow me. I'll help you to understand it. I'll make you a a pro data analyst with Python coding. Okay, so stay tuned, and that's all for today. If you have any queries, any questions, or any doubts, you can write me a comment. If you like this video, please subscribe it, and ring that bell icon, so whenever I post a new video you will get notified. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, any queries, or any doubts, you can write me a comment, and we will be discussing it into our next session. That's all. Thank you.